In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order form in Paperform. Let's walk through the full process so you can start taking orders smoothly and securely. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Paperform. Click through to the official Paperform website so you're in the right place, then head to Log In and sign into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, you can either start from scratch or pick a template. If you want the quickest path, choose a template like Product Order Form. It comes with common fields and settings you can adjust, which saves time and gives you a solid structure to work from. If you're building it out yourself, click the plus icon to add a new question, or type the / command and choose Product. This field is designed for selling items directly on your form. It can display products, set prices, and let customers select quantities, all in one place. Click into the Product field to configure it. On the right sidebar, add product names, clear descriptions, high-quality images, and accurate prices. Use concise language that helps customers make quick decisions and keep images consistent in size and style for a polished look. If you're offering variations, make sure they're clearly labeled so buyers understand what they're choosing. Next, open the top navigation and go to Configure, then Payments. This is where you enable checkout and ensure totals are calculated correctly. Click Manage Payment Accounts to connect a payment gateway such as Stripe, PayPal Business, Square, or Braintree. Choose the one that fits your business best. While you're here, select your currency and set up any tax rules you need so your pricing remains compliant and transparent at checkout. After the payment settings are ready, move to After Submission and open Emails. Set up an automatic personalized receipt for customers. You can include their name, what they ordered, the total paid, and any next steps or support information they should know. Then, under After Submission, go to Success Pages to design a custom confirmation screen. Use answer piping to pull in the customer's specific order details so the message feels tailored and reassuring. A clear confirmation builds trust and reduces follow-up questions. When you're happy with everything, open the Share tab to copy your form's URL or grab a QR code for print materials and in-person displays. If you want the form directly on your website, use the Embed options to place it on a page so customers never have to leave your site. That's it. Your Paperform order form is ready to take payments and deliver a great buying experience.